It's the next day after I recorded my suite of videos yesterday, and I thought I'd cover off what would happen in a typical, I guess, midweek type of a meeting, which being a Wednesday, there's probably some more robust meetings on today than there was yesterday when I recorded my training video suite. Um, we're up to Belmont Race 6, it's 10 minutes to go. Updates will start flowing through soon, and I guess that will probably interfere with my view here, but just thought I'd take you through and have a quick look at how the system's going with the experimental models I've got going. Now this is a very much a test environment where I'm actually testing various things and looking at how things are going, but so far I'm finding day to day the results are very, very encouraging. And I just wanted to give you an insight as to what happens on a typical day. So I'm going to lock this view and then take you through all the events. Now, all I've got programmed here at the moment, I'm not running any win and place betting, nothing like that. I've got the auto thing on because it records the bets, but I'm not actually auto betting as such. I don't have my other programs running to capture the bets. But what I do want to show you is what would typically have happened. What would the system have discovered as potential bets based on some of the experimental models I've got going in the background. So let's have a quick look through there. And what we're looking for is a Y flag around the screen, around about this part of the screen here, in this light grey shaded box. That would represent what the system would have considered as a selection worth betting on in some shape or form. At the moment, it's just going to show a W and a Y. But it really could be an each way bet, or it could be an exotic inclusion, etc. It's just a potential selection that's been identified as having a very strong chance. So let's have a quick look through. I'll start at Doomben Race 1 and we'll scroll through. We're looking for this Y flag and see if any are around. Nothing, 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 nothing. As you can see, it doesn't take that many selections at the moment based on the modelling that's in there. I'm trying to obviously improve it, but the importance is performance overall and identifying selections that are obviously more meritorious of a bet than others. Here's one, number 4, it would have taken, and that would have been an unsuccessful bet. Obviously very high odds. First up, didn't quite come in. So let's keep going. So that would have been one that would have failed. Next one, number 4 here. This one would have come third, paying about $2.30, around about $2 mark across the board. So that was a successful one from my point of view of the analysis of performance. Oh, hang on, I nearly mixed one there. Now that's a nice result, number 10 here, and this happens from time to time. A nice $20 roughly winner across the board, as low as $18.20 I guess in Queensland, but up to $23.20 in Victoria. A very nice result there. Wish I had been better now, but I'll keep looking. And again, it's a matter of being very disciplined until everything's perfected. But the modelling so far is very, very encouraging. I'll keep going. Number 2 would have been taken here, and it did not do anything. It was top form ranked, but it didn't do anything. Number 3 would have been taken. Oh, now this is a very interesting result here. In fact, this does not happen that often. I'll be honest, because we don't get many of this sort of price range. But look at this, 1970 for a place in Queensland, ran second, and it nearly won, obviously, and beaten only by number 6 and 13 with the 2 state peaks here in Queensland. And 6, 13 and 3 filled the trifecta. Very easy trifecta to get, a $1,130 trifecta, that one. Again, Queensland being usually the dominant pool, it doesn't very close to Victoria here, but for a South Australian meeting. Yeah, very good result there. So again, working very well there. Interestingly, it was also top form ranked lot runner as well per our ratings. So again, a good reflection that we've got some good smarts behind that as well. Keeping on going here though, see if there's anything else that would have popped up. Usually there's going to be a per my existing background modelling, and it's all experimental, and you can obviously take it. That's all. There have been a handful of bets today, but overall, certainly, if you're approaching it from an each-way betting perspective or an exotics perspective, I think today would have been a very a very rewarding experience for from a punting point of view. All right. Anyway, I thought that insight might be of value. Speak soon.